3 hours. We made it.
Since we don't know where her family's at, we have to act like. Come over here, Jackie.
I brought fruit.
College life.
Oh yeah, she swears she wants to go to college to look at college guys and perfect. I already feel myself getting darker. To get down those stairs, my god, it's hot.
That was like the biggest workout ever.
I was trying not to fall, basically.
I was trying not to fall because I was taking pictures of myself.
And she looks so shiny.
Ew.
Highest castle. She's over there. Meet my new best friend. Hold my hand. You're my new best friend, okay? Yeah.
Hey, Fia.
Fia?
Hey, huh?
What did you her?
Oh. Poor baby. She looks so scared. She wants to get dressed because she might see the man of his dreams, even though he's 11. You. And she's sad for life because her phone's like broken. It's a video. Everybody gotta chill. What are we gonna do? We're gonna eat something. I need a pee.
I need my phone to
It's
work.
like 8 o'clock at nighttime and I'm like 50 million shades of dark. After walking all the way from here, from all the way over there for like 2 hours,
milkshakes.
None of the stores have milkshakes.
Are they
Sad for life. And now we have to go back to the other side and go to the ice cream.
Come on, Jackie, to the chicken shop.
My friends.
Butter gardens, Thailand and smoothie, almost $6.
Let me see if it's worth
a new chick that I gotta think I'm not. I'm the new chick. I'm just kidding. That I gotta think I'm not.
Yeah, I got a lot, but wanna lot.
I belong here. It's a buffet.
Eating healthy late at night.
Cause you. Oh. College dorm life. Party.
Let me go check it out.